Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever looked at a receipt and only saw the final total, wondering how to figure out the original price for a business expense or just to see how much sales tax you paid? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to calculate sales tax backward from a total amount. It's a common problem for budgeting, accounting, or processing returns, but the math is simpler than you think. There's a common trap many people fall into, so let's make sure you get it right every time. First, let's cover the mistake most people make. They take the total amount and multiply it by the sales tax percentage. For example, if your total was $53.50 and the local sales tax was 7%, you might be tempted to calculate 7% of $53.50, which is $3.75. Subtracting that from the total gives you $49.75. This seems logical, but it's incorrect. The reason is that sales tax is calculated on the original, lower price, not the final total that already includes the tax. By using the total, you're essentially calculating tax on the tax itself, which will always give you the wrong number. So, here is the correct and surprisingly easy way to do it using one simple formula: original price equals total amount / 1 plus sales tax rate. Let's use that same $53.50 example with a 7% sales tax. Step 1 is to convert the sales tax percentage into a decimal. You just move the decimal point 2 places to the left, so 7% becomes 0.07. If your tax rate was 8.25%, it would become 0.0825. Step 2 is to add 1 to that decimal. In our case, that's 1 plus 0.07, which equals 1.07. This number represents the full original price, the 1, plus the tax, the 0.07. For the final step, you take your total amount, $53.50, and divide it by that number we just found, 1.07. Punching that into a calculator, $53.50 divided by 1.07 equals exactly $50. That's it. The original, pre-tax price of your item was $50. Now that you have the original price, finding the exact sales tax amount is the easiest part. You can simply subtract the original price from the total amount. $53.50 minus $50 gives you $3.50 in sales tax. Notice that this is different from the $3.75 we got when we did it the wrong way. That small difference can really add up on big purchases. To recap the process, convert your sales tax rate to a decimal, add 1 to it, and then divide your total receipt amount by that new number. This gives you the original subtotal before tax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this quick math tip was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. For more simple explanations on everyday finance and math, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.